Hi, everyone, and welcome to the FSU Law Alumni Spotlight Series. I'm Lauren Angulo, and today I'm honored to be joined by Kareem J. Spratling, an accomplished attorney and proud graduate of FSU College of Law class of 2006. Kareem is a shareholder at Bryant Miller Olive P.A., where he focuses on public finance and has played a key role in shaping the landscape of infrastructure and public-private partnerships across the Southeast. He's recognized as a national thought leader in his field and has served in various leadership positions with the National Association of Bond Lawyers and other civic and professional organizations, including our amazing FSU Law Alumni Board of Directors, which he is the president. We're so excited to hear about Kareem's journey, insights, and experiences since graduating from FSU Law. Kareem, welcome, and thank you so much for joining us.
Oh my God, thank you for that very kind introduction, Lauren. The only thing I would say is that you forgot to mention that I can fly and that I can only be harmed by kryptonite. But seriously, I'm so happy to be the first guinea pig on this series. I think that over the course of time, we will impress you with so many wonderful alums that are really doing exceptional things, but I'm grateful to be the test case.
Well, you're the best, and we couldn't be more honored to have you serve as our president of the board of directors. And let's get into it. What was your favorite memory from your time at FSU Law?
Oh my goodness, there's so many great memories, really. Only so many that I could probably put on video, but I'll start with one that was kind of fun. So I tried out for mock trial, and I didn't know what to expect. I didn't know any lawyers before that really, and so I go into this mock trial tryout, and sitting in the room is the Honorable Nikki Clark. So I do my thing. I thought I did a good job, but sometimes you never know, right? You're nervous. It's your first time doing things. So then I get a call from Judge's JA saying that the judge would like to see me in her chambers. I'm like, oh no, I think I might have embarrassed the brand. So I go there, and she was effusive with praise, and she agreed to be my mentor right there on the spot. I did ultimately make the mock trial team, and fast forward many years later, Judge Clark honored us by serving as the officiant at our wedding, and she continues to be my mentor now. So it's just a really cool, special moment at FSU Law.
Wow, that's so amazing. That, something so unexpected and she came and like became your mentor and even officiated your wedding. That's a way that FSU Law affected your personal career, but how did FSU Law experience shape your professional career?
It has been everything. Our firm has been very strongly associated with FSU in Tallahassee for a very, very long time. I did not know that I was going to be a bond lawyer or a public finance lawyer. I always thought I'd be a litigator and be on someone's billboard by now, but fate has its own way of doing things. I was taught state constitutional law by Randy Hanna, who is an alum and now the dean of FSU's Panama City campus. But at the time, he was the managing shareholder at my law firm, Bryant Miller Olive. So I took the class, and Randy liked me, and he invited me to come, clerk at BMO. So 20 years later now, instead of being in a courtroom every day, instead I'm doing public finance. And even right this moment, actually, our managing shareholder of the entire firm is an FSU Law grad as well. So FSU Law continues to be a big part of my life.
That's amazing. And what advice would you give to current or future FSU Law students?
Oh my gosh, so many things. Well, the first one, harkening back to my personal journey, is be open for growth. Be open to do things that you're good at. You may think you want to go into law school doing one particular thing, and you get there, and you open up and you learn to do something else. The other thing is don't take yourself too seriously. For the most part, you're going to make it through. Now, you need to study and do your work, but life goes on, and there's more to life than just doing the schoolwork. Create relationships. Some of my best friends continue to this day to be people that I met in law school and that I built relationships with outside of the classroom.
Amazing. And one last question. Tell us a fun fact about yourself or a hobby that you enjoy outside of the law.
Oh my gosh, this is a good one. Some people know this. I like to go fast. So I really enjoy my sport cars, and I love getting in the sports cars and driving around professional tracks. So if I were not, a public finance lawyer, then perhaps I'd be a race car driver.
Thank you so much, Kareem. Thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate you being the first one on our little alumni spotlight series.
It's an absolute pleasure. Thank you for being a magnificent host, for coming up with this great idea, and I cannot wait to see the next videos. Bye, everyone.